Arizona, homeowner's best friend.
Our topic, if you're following along in your Rosie on the House Homeowner Handbook, is journaling new habits. And like I said, this is the first time we've really covered this topic. A number of it, this seems self-explanatory, but that there's always something to learn from the urban farms. Take it away.
Thank you. You would think that this is something that would be self-explanatory, but there are a lot of people that kind of need a little kick in the pants to get started. I myself was one of them. Obviously, I didn't know how to grow anything until I started, hanging around Greg Peterson. But, and habits, there are a lot of people that either are afraid of the word habit, or they get into a habit so much that they're maybe a little challenged to change habits. And when you are involved in growing something, one big point is what happened last month? What did I do? What changed? How do I use information that I thought I was going to remember and didn't? How do I use that? And that's the big point, is how do we make this a habit that's going to help us become better gardeners?
Rosie on the House, every Arizona homeowner's best friend.